Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. It's your boy Series FX, and this is how I analyze gold for the week ahead. So the first thing I do is to go to the daily time frame to check for my trend of the market. It's really simple. If you know how to use your trend line, you just draw it and connect the wicks together. So with this, you can see that this portion of the market is in an uptrend. Because the daily time frame, I do not want to take long data. I just want to take the recent ones and then analyze with it. I then move on to the 4-hour time frame to check for my key zones, right? Using the 4-hour time frame, all what I do here is to check my key zones. So as you all can see, I'm also going to delete this trend line so that I can focus on the recent price action of this market. As you can see, gold on the 4-hour time frame has been correcting for a while now. So I move on and then plot my zones for this time frame. Again, I focus on the recent price action for my trade entries because I'm a day trader and not a swing trader. I like to trade intraday, so open a position around maybe 7 a.m. in the morning and then close around barely 4 p.m., 5 p.m. I do not hold my trades over the night or over the weekend. So this is going to be my high based on the 4-hour time frame, and this will be my low. I then come as close to plot this high also here and then this recent lows, right? So this is what I do on the 4-hour time frame. Then I move to the 1-hour time frame. Coming into the 1-hour time frame, I then focus on the recent price or action. So this is my recent price action on the 1-hour time frame. As you can see, again, 1 hour has been correcting, and then this is a clean price action for us to determine our next direction of the market. We can then take our trend line and draw it from the top here to the down here to have a trend market, right? So as you can see from here, this market is trying to descend to the downside, but then again, market has tested a very key support zone here that you might expect this market to make a reaction towards, and already the market closed with a little bit of reaction towards this zone. So what you are supposed to expect for the week ahead is to see if market will literally break this zone, retest and continue pushing down, or to maybe give us that bit of information here, and then based on candlestick confirmation, look for it to take a buy. To me personally, I would like to take a trade that will give me a higher risk to reward ratio, so I'll be looking for buys here instead of sells, because selling here will give me a bigger stops and then a smaller risk to reward ratio depending on how I trade and how comfortable I am trading gold. So for me, basically, I'll be looking for buying opportunities, and if market decides to come into these zones again to give us another test, that is going to be a 3 touch. This is our first touch, second touch, and this is going to be maybe our 3rd touch. I'm looking for it to take a buy here, putting my stop loss just below this zone and looking all the way to take my profit around here or even more to this high, right? And this will give me out about 7% risk to reward ratio, right? And this is very good for me for how I trade and how I understand the market and for my psychology as well.